Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're doing another mod for the Back to the Future Delorean. Today is the dash panel and lens. Okay, so yeah, this is the dash panel and lens. This is to replace the one that we've already got in there. It's not the one that's in there. Looks fine when it's not on, but when it's on, it doesn't really, not very good with the light blocking and everything. This will help with the light blocking, and this is available in two different types. So you've got this one, which is the one I've got, which is the 0 mile an hour one, and you've also got one that is 88 miles an hour. So you've got a couple of options there, which one you can go for. So let me actually show you the dash panel and lens here. So as you can see, 1/8 scale, dash panel and lens. So what this is, as you can see, we get the dash panel, we get a lens in there, and we get a little tool to help with the removal of the old dash panel. So let's get it open and have a look. So as we slide this out, as you can see, that's our dash panel. This is the 0 mile an hour one. I don't know if you can make that out. 0 mile an hour. Obviously the 88 mile an hour, this dial would be different. So yeah, very, very cool. We get a clear lens to go over the top, to give it that sort of glossy finish, look like it's behind the screen. We get a little tool, which is just here, and the instructions. Let's take a look at the instructions. So what we've got to do is take the little tool, stick it in the top, and it should be able to pull that out. If we stick that in the Mr. Fusion as trash if we want, or just throw it in the trash, it's up to you. And we can take the new dash panel, stick that in there, and we've got a clear lens, and that's going to go in there, and it's going to sit at a sort of angle just like that down the bottom. And there we are. That is the dash panel and lens. So this one shouldn't be too bad to do, so I'm going to bring you down. I'm going to get the actual cockpit area that we've got, and we're going to try and install this dash panel. Okay, so here we are. We've got our dash panel here ready to go in, our lens ready to go in, but we need to get this one out first. So we're going to try and use this little tool. And what it wants us to do, I know the angles aren't great, but we need to stick this in here and try and get this out. So we're going to try and push this steering wheel all the way out of the way, push that in there. So it might be better to do this on the top camera where you can see it a bit better. So we're trying to go through the top here, just trying to pick this out, but as you can see, I've already installed mine. In we go. There we are. She's out. Okay, so that's that out. It takes a little bit of force. As you can see, you've got to get right behind this thicker part here and then just lever it forward and it will come out, and that will leave us with this looking like that. So we've got the empty slot there ready to take our new dash panel, which is this one here. So all we need to do is try slide that one into there. So we're going in the bottom, push that one in, just like so, and that's that new dash panel installed in there. The only thing left is this, which is the lens. So we want to go bottom side in first. We're just going to push this in a bit, try and help locate that in for us. It does take a little bit of a shove to get it in there. There we go, that's it in. So that's that one in. We've now got our lens in there, and the yeah, it's all sorted. So now I'll show you it lit up. Okay, so now we've got our new dash panel plugged in there, and let me just adjust it a little so you can see a bit better. Yeah, so we're going to turn the lights off. I'm going to see this panel all lit up by itself. So are you ready? Look at that. Now the quality of the camera is not that good in the dark, but look at that. Very, very cool. As you can see, there's no more lights through here. The camera doesn't really do this justice at the moment, but yeah, all the right instrument panels are all lit up nicely, looking very, very cool indeed. There we go. Another great Mike Lane edition has gone into my Delorean, and yeah, I'm really happy with the way that looks in there. Even with it off, having the lens on there, looks so much better anyway, because it actually looks like a real dashboard, because we do have the lens there. But yeah, so coming up next time, we're probably going to do the vinyl sticker sets. Don't forget to head on over to Mike Lane's website. Here's a look at it now. So if you head on over to MikeLaneMods.com, as you can see on the screen now, he already has a massive catalogue of Build a Back to the Future DeLorean upgrades and improvements. That's for the 1/6, 1/8, and also the Playmobil, as we see in a minute. He also does the carpets for the Ecto-1. He's got the train track coming, as well as the train hubcaps. As you can see on the screen now, he's got some upgrades to the Ecto-1 there as well, and the Playmobil Back to the Future DeLorean on there as well. So make sure you head on over to MikeLaneMods.com and pick up your mod today. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.